Welcome to this video on grid-forming inverters. We'll explore what they are and why they are becoming a vital technology for our power grids. Traditional grids rely on spinning generators for stability. However, as we shift to new grids using solar and batteries, that natural stability is lost. A grid-forming inverter is a power converter that creates and regulates AC voltage and frequency independently without relying on the grid. Think of it this way. A grid-following inverter is like a musician listening for the tempo, while a grid-forming inverter acts like the conductor who sets it. This table highlights key differences. Unlike grid-following systems that synchronize to an existing grid, grid-forming technology establishes its own voltage and operates independently. The process involves using a DC source, such as a battery, to synthesize a stable AC voltage, which is then adjusted to meet power demand. Internally, digital control algorithms like droop control or virtual synchronous machine techniques are used, effectively allowing software to replace physical mechanical rotation. In what is called an island test, we see that solar and wind resources cannot start up alone because they lack an inherent voltage reference. A grid-forming battery can start first, creating the necessary voltage to allow solar and wind resources to synchronize, finally bringing power back to the grid. Key applications for this technology include battery energy storage systems, renewable power plants, microgrids in remote areas, and resilient data centers. The benefits of grid-forming inverters are significant, as they enable 100% renewable grids, support voltage and frequency, and allow for diesel-free black starts. Despite these benefits, challenges remain, including the complexity of control systems, the need for further research, higher hardware costs, and new grid protection schemes. In conclusion, grid-forming technology is a key driver for our low-carbon future, and modern grids are increasingly demanding these advanced capabilities.